we're going to temp number 2. Okay, I had this on the charger. I don't know if it's charged or not. I have my doubts. Okay, so positive is hooked up. Negative's over here. Okay, that's connected. Swing it all the way over. Probably should top off the fuel tank. We did have it running. It's just about empty. I think it is empty. Maybe that's why I quit running. It's thirsty. The tank was empty. It drained all in the motor while we're sitting here. Okay, it's filled again. Yeah, no fluid in it. Didn't run very good without fluid. Okay, go ahead and choke it a little bit here. What else can we do to choke this thing up pretty good? Basically, you put your hand over like that, it'll choke it. While it's trying to run, of course. Okay. See what happens. Power. Crank it. Lean. Either ran out of gas or ain't happy. There must be water in the motor somewhere. It's coming out. Water's boiling out, see? I can smell the richness in here, but it's not super smoky yet. It's definitely not smoking real heavy. Otherwise we can breathe in here. We're inside of an enclosed chamber right now, basically. We'll turn the fuel, yeah, we got that off. So this thing empty out. It's pretty much empty. What do you think? Think it's empty? Think it ran out of fuel. Sexy. Don't get good fuel economy, big motors. Alright, well, sit on all the cylinders. I'm just starting to warm up enough to let it idle, and it ran out of fuel. Try to adjust it. Good. Oh well. Put these back down half a turn where they started from. So it doesn't want to idle really good right now. Alright, so let me try it one more time. We'll put some more fuel in it. I can still kind of breathe in here, so we're alright. It's warmed up a little bit now, so that's a good sign. It's like a good air-cooled motor right now. It's warming up. Alright. Put a ton of fuel in there. We'll put a little bit. Just enough to make it exciting. How's that? It definitely likes having a little extra fuel in it when we start. Not on the outside, on the inside. Okay, we're going to try to adjust it for idle. We can make it idle. Should be able to make it do that. It used to idle before. Okay. Very lean off idle. Make it idle good, just can't get off of idle. I think it's getting warm on the inside. What do you think? It's steam cleaning my wrist on me. Oh, turn the ignition off. Don't leave that on. Alright, well it runs. Carburetor sucks, I already knew that, but it sucks more than I remember it being, but oh well. At least this one runs unlike the big block Chevy where it runs on 6.5 cylinders. This is just a stock non-hot rod motor, so it sucks on how it runs, but it's good. A little water coming out. Oh well, it's warmed up. She warmed up. Alright, well there you go. It kind of runs. I'm not sure I'm going to make it run good enough to get up onto the darn trailer. I don't think it's going to run that good. Anyway, we got to hook a radiator to it and all that, and you know, get it all hooked up. Radiator's in the back of the truck over here, so somewhere back in here is a radiator. It was inside. Oh, it's inside. That's where it was. There it is. We got to hook this up. There's a fuel tank too. Got a couple fuel tanks. There's another fuel tank. There's one there and one here. We got all kinds of fuel tanks. And we got one in the cab. That's 3 of them in the cab. Yeah. I don't know if any of them are safe. Anyway. Well, there you go. One pile of crap poured. So tomorrow we're going to try to get the front end put on it. We got all the grills and fenders and crap over here. Try to put all this stuff together and make it look like a real truck again. I gotta bleed the rear brakes and make sure the rear brakes work. Okay, at least some brakes. And maybe we'll check the transmission fluid level. It might be low a little bit. What do you think? Yeah, a little bit. Not enough to worry, I'm sure. Alright, that's it for tonight.